Nope, he's getting off. Just putting gas in the car was brutal. All right, we're at our highest temperature at 27 today. Whew. And the wind is cutting through you like a knife. Sunday 41, Monday 45. Yeah, we're still going to be in the cold, but today is the most brutally cold. Stay tuned, we're almost at the rink. Alright, it's hella cold, it's hella windy, but we got to get a picture with the anchor like we did last year, because last year she was in her lightning garb, and this year she is now in her phantom's garb. So here we go. Check out this little anchor. Well, yeah, check out this little anchor. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go the other way. Get less light in the picture. Woohoo. I think it's freaking huge. Check it. That's a hell of an anchor. This is at Admiral Perry Area Vocational Technical School. Pretty awesome, but it's too damn cold for this. Hi! Come on, let's get back. Come on, guys, get back, get back. Good, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Jimmy. Good. Come on. Yeah! What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Obviously you saw at the beginning we had a few things last weekend. I am just now up. Hi, Moxie. Hi, Brew Brew. You guys need to go back in the house. Did you bring the leashes?
Nope.
That's not good. Okay, take them back. So I had an issue where I only had one key. I'd bought one key. Apparently I needed two to do the programming to the car. So I had to take care of that. Now we're back at Geemum's. I got my Focus right here. We're gonna move the golf cart, which now doesn't want to start. So we're gonna get the Focus going so I can try and get it to my house so I can finish it off. Then we're going to try and get the golf cart going, because tomorrow we have another hockey game, and we had a pretty decent snow. It was Thursday. We had a pretty decent snow. Problem is, I can't drive the Mustang in the snow. They suck in the snow. So really need to get that finished. That's today's project. Hang on and let's go. Alright, we swapped the battery to another battery I had because the battery in there was junk. Okay, set in. We have one key here, one key in the ignition, and you need one of these cables, the ELM 327 cable. Alright, we'll start with how do you know you need the key programmed. If we turn the key on, see that fast flash? That means the car is not reading your key. So that fast flash, no bueno. So, we plugged in. Right down here in the OBD2, got a USB, Grab the computer here. Okay. Now we're going to go to Forescan. I will open up this program right here. We are linked. So, we're going to double check. Due to the fact that we're doing key programming, we need what's called an extended license. So, you see right here, I signed up for an extended license. And we're going to come down here. I'm going to click to connect. Yes, switch to real mode. Ignition key is on. Ignition key is on. Vehicle's not moving. We should be on the right program on the switch. It's an O2. Ford Focus Z-Tech 2.0. Still the neat. Okay. Found all the. And right now it's still reading. Yes, we may save this. Now, down here it says ready. Now we're going to come to Pat's programming. Once you click that, we'll push Run Service Procedure. This procedure will add keys to the Pat system memory. Keys already known. Now, we're going to do an erase and redo. Say, okay. Ignition key program. Okay, so we have to erase. Okay. Timed and coded. Yes, we want to use coded. So we're generating an encode now. You can see where it's doing programming. Now you have the choice of doing an encode or a waiting procedure. Either way, it really doesn't make much of a difference. So we're executing service procedure. And I'll be back when it gets a little further along. Now it's going to say, replace all known keys, make sure you have 2 keys, which we do. Are 2 PATS keys available? Yes. We have security access granted. All known keys have been erased. You must now program a minimum of 2 keys. Okay. Ignition key programming. Okay. Set ignition position to off. So off, on. Press OK. PATS key programmed. On. Now ignition programming. Okay. Off. Insert new key. Turn on. Press Okay. Off, then on. Okay. That should be all we needed. We're waiting for it to finalize programming. Okay. Now we should be able to come out, turn it off, and then on. Hey! Key 1 is functional. Now, let's check key 2. Hard power. Key 2 is programmed. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially programmed 2 keys with a computer and a USB drive. So I managed to do that with a $15 adapter and obviously a Windows computer, just using a program called Forescan with an extended license. Now we have a car that will start and run with 2 programmed keys. All right, now that we have functioning keys, fixed the wipers finally, fuse was out, I got enough gas. We'll let this thing idle, warm up, make sure all the functions work. While that's happening, oh, you'll notice I did a catalytic converter, so it's much quieter now, thankfully. Looks really weird not seeing my focus there. Oh, you're talking to Jess. Hello. You're standing right in front of the camera. Still. All right, there's the parade down. Couldn't miss Jessica's parade since I was in the area. Trying to get back to the car. My crazy butt ran about a half mile or better to try and get the band. My fat butt ain't built for this. All right. She's home. Alright guys, so that's the video for today. We got the green Focus home. I got to show you guys how to program these keys with a program called Forescan. Pretty neat stuff. I mean, technology is amazing as long as we learn how to use it and use it right. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully I feel better. I mean, I'm getting over this sinus infection, cold, blah. But hopefully you enjoy the video, and I will catch you on the flip side. What is it, bro? but the dog's scared to death of it. What are you looking for, Brutus? What are you looking for?